Welcome to Auburn, Alabama, home of Yara's Soil Health Incubator Farm in partnership with Auburn University. Supporting Yara's ambition of growing a nature-positive food future through climate neutrality, regenerative farming, and farmer prosperity, these 80 acres of land are dedicated to exploring in depth a fascinating and dynamic medium that plays a crucial role in our planet's ecosystem, our soil.
Here at the Soil Health Incubator Farm, innovation is key. And that's because we're aiming to take a deep dive into how to optimize soil health, and along with it, agronomic efficiencies, agroecosystem resilience, and farmer prosperity. To execute on this, it includes investment in equipment, technology, and also intensive sampling and soil mapping to understand the impact of Yara's solutions on soil health, but also the approach we need to take to maximize soil health outcomes. There's often a disconnect about what exactly soil health means on the farm, and we aim to change that.
We utilize high-frequency in-season soil health testing across the farm, analyzing how certain input or management decisions affect soil chemical, physical, and biological parameters. On top of mineral fertilizer practices, we are using practices known to improve soil health, such as reduced tillage, diverse cover crop mixes, and variable rate liming.
Soil and plant samples across the farm are extensively mapped to enable exploring interesting correlations between soil and plant health, carbon footprint, and crop productivity on a granular level. Education and outreach are key to the farm's mission. This farm serves as a real-world center for soil health excellence for producers, academics, and industry stakeholders. The learnings are intended to support Yara's retail partners. The engagement and knowledge exchange with them are critical for the farm's success.
Some of the key findings so far include that soil microbial activity was a stronger predictor of corn grain yield than traditional plant tissue tests. Second, that cover crop fertilization resulted in soil health improvements across the board, which contributed to greater cotton yields. And third, that the inclusion of organics and biostimulants in the Yara crop nutrition programs fostered soil microbial communities that enhanced plant hormone production, plant stress mitigation, nutrient cycling, and ultimately reduce carbon intensity and greater yields. Given that most of these results are based upon 1 year of data collection, it is noteworthy that we can meaningfully alter soil health within a single growing season. Soil health is not just a result of long-term management strategies, but is meaningfully affected in the short term by decisions made on the farm, anywhere from tillage decisions to crop nutrition decisions and everything in between.
So in the future, we really hope that the work we do here at the Soil Health Incubator Farm leads to more quantitative recommendations for soil health that leads to better nutrient use efficiency and farmer prosperity. Also, soils on a given farm or even within a given field are often not the same. So having better, even site-specific recommendations, we hope leads to better adoption of soil health practices. Yara's overall nature-positive food future strategy actually cuts across the food and value chain. We really want the impact and the work that we do here at the farm be available to the entire agricultural industry. So the pressures on our food systems and the environment as a whole is really at a critical point. Yara, as a global leader in crop nutrition, really has an obligation to invest in innovation to help solve for some of the critical challenges in crop nutrition and help create resiliency in our food systems and farmer prosperity, and also help do what we can to mitigate the impact on the planet.
Yara's partners and other industry stakeholders are invited to leverage the farm's research and findings with the opportunity to see firsthand the benefits of the crop nutrition solutions implemented. Please follow our journey online or reach out to connect if you or your organization would like to learn more. Yara, knowledge grows.